Hello guys and welcome to Tech Toffee.
Today we are going to see how to install Ubuntu on Windows 10. So just go to your Chrome and search for Ubuntu for Windows. So this is a new feature like in Windows 10 for Ubuntu. So just click on that, click on freely available. So it will automatically install this free software of Ubuntu in your system. So basically if you don't want to install full Ubuntu Linux in your computer, or you don't want to have a VM, this is the best way because this gives us a command line interface for Ubuntu. So just click on no thanks here. Since we don't want to sign in, we just want to get it. You can also directly go to Microsoft Store to download it. Just click on, so it will automatically gets download. Yeah, so once the download is complete, just click on launch. So this may take few minutes for installing this. Yeah, once it's complete, it will ask you for username and password. So you can select any username. So in this case I am selecting the username here as Toffee. Yeah, oh, it says error because the name should be small letter only, unless we can do a force bad name. So we are doing a small letter Toffee here as username. Choose any password if you want. If you don't want any password, then leave it blank. So once the installation completes, you will get your command line interface for Ubuntu. So here you can see that we have this Toffee Ubuntu interface. You can do a cd change directory and go to /mnt folder, that is mount, which will show all the drives in your system, C, D and E, the three drives that I have. So I'm going in D drive now and I'm going inside the Toffee folder. So in this way you can access your drives data in Linux Ubuntu.